About this item: industry first factory mirror design with voice controller. URVOLAX 11X dashcam mirror adopts original factory mirror shape for best replacement. This unique OEM 12-inch full touchscreen mirror displays a wider corner view and records more traffic signs. The hands-free voice control helps you control this HD mirror cam easier, then focus more in driving. For safety, OEM bracket mount, firmly and elegant. This rear view mirror dashcam can replace your original mirror completely without any damage or vibration. The OEM bracket mounting makes this mirror screen look like a real part of your vehicle. The included bracket can fit most vehicles. If you cannot find your model from the given list, welcome to contact us to confirm. We also have other brackets to provide detached front camera and longer back cam cable. The detachable front-facing cam can be placed at anywhere of the windshield to avoid blocking from other devices. The packaged 33 feet backup camera extension cable is more flexible to fit various vehicle models. You can also purchase another 49 feet cable separately for your big truck, van, RV, or trailer. Anti-glare and no overexposure with dual IMX335 lens. URVOLAX car mirror camera utilizes a full laminated screen to get the best image even under strong sunlight. Both front and rear mirror are equipped with sensor. IMX335 in WDR technology can minimize the dazzling from other headlights in night vision. GPS tracking and parking monitoring with battery protection. The included GPS module can add driving speed, location, and routes to your recorded files for later evidence. With hardwire kit, not included, connected, dual dashcam takes video automatically once it detects a collision, then turns off after lock. To 30s video to protect the car battery from draining out. Upgraded 2-channel mirror dashcam system. More smart functions. The parking lines is adjustable by screen touch to fit various cars. The rear cam can be installed upside down by flipping the images. 32 GB SD card is included in